Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? My friends, my brothers, sisters, hope all of you are well. I decided to make something a little ridiculous today. I'm going to be making this month's cast iron cooking challenge is pizza. I thought, well, let's do a pizza burger because it just sounds dumb. I thought, well, you know, let's go for it. It might be one of those things where it's like I've seen pictures online, but I've never actually made one. So let's get going with that. Should be interesting. I know. I have a game plan, so let's rock on it. All right, so I got these ciabatta rolls, which this is going to be my base, my bun. And I lost the. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the oven and then toast it, and then I'm going to sauce it, cheese it, and then put the pepperoni on it, and then put it in the oven on broil and toast it. And then I'm going to cook the burger patty. Alright. I kind of wanted them toasted a little bit more, but I was getting impatient. Mainly because my bacon is all done. I'm going to cook the burger while this is in the oven. Of course, the ciabatta, the top one has a big hole in the bun, so that's alright. We'll just have to deal with it. So, marinara sauce. Get that out of my way. Sweet. I do want to add, I don't want to flood it with cheese, so, I mean, I definitely want cheese on it, but I don't want to flood it. We got our turkey pepperoni, because I still have it. Haven't used it all up yet. So I'll just go like that. Get this guy in the oven and let the broiler so there we go. Let the broiler do its magic. I actually want to put it on the lowest pan so it's not gonna. Alright, we got our cast iron. Please excuse camera movements. So we get our pan, we get our beef. It's about a third of it. It's about a third-pound burger. Now, I want to get this as square as I possibly can. Which might be tough since I didn't set it on the counter or cutting board. I can live with that. Alright. Got a little bit of Uncle Steve's. Don't need a whole lot of it because we're not, we've already got plenty of salt from the bacon. A little garlic, because I like garlic. Alright, we got my burger cooking up. I throw my spatula. Alright. I'll probably just go with one slice of cheese since I have mozzarella on the burger as well, so. I don't know if that was recording, but if it wasn't, I pulled it out of the oven. It was getting a little dark around the edges, as you can probably see here. I don't want to get too dark. So the burger is cooking nicely. Anybody else have to fight with these packages? Like, come on, you bozo. There we go. Okay. Oops. Alright. I think we are nearing completion. I'll go ahead and turn it off with the residual heat. Finish off the finish melting my cheese, because cast iron really holds heat well. That's one thing that's great about it. I don't know what, I think 11-inch pan. I think it's so far it's been a really good pan. I got it at a outdoorsman show a couple years ago. All right. Boom. Pizza cheeseburger. Let's do a cross-section cut so you guys can see it. I don't normally cut my burgers, but there you go. Don't know what that was, but let's get rid of it. Alright, let's go for the taste test. Wow. Oh yeah, that's money. Alrighty, so I already washed the cutting board I was using as a plate, but I'll say that was a really good burger. I mean, marinara sauce works surprisingly well on a hamburger. I mean, really well. And the best part is I have 2 more buns and more meat and all the ingredients, so I can make it again tomorrow night from there. So, rock on. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.